Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jono. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to increase your connection on your PlayStation 4 or the PlayStation 5 system. This has been working. I used this technique since PlayStation 3. It worked on the 4 too, and it's very easy to do. It's very simple. It's not. You won't get hacked or none of that stuff. None of that is gonna happen. Your IP not gonna get stolen. You're not gonna get booted offline. Somebody is not gonna steal your information. None of that. I've been doing it forever, and nothing's happened to me. So I'm gonna just show you a technique to get a better connection. I know you tired of lagging out of them games when you going crazy. I know you tired. I feel your pain because I've been there and done that a million plus times. And when I found out this technique worked, I'm like, I can't wait to show somebody else that this worked. And that's why we here. So anyways, I'm gonna show you my connection wireless, because that's what I'm on right now, wireless. Show you my connection. Just paid the bill, so it should be kind of like good. Okay, it's at 40.5 megabytes per second, 5.5 with the up per second. So right now this is good, stable connection. The upload should at least be 7 or close to 7, like 6.8, But that speed download, it can be way better than that. It should be at least 50 right now. So this is a regular connection. You can use this connection for pretty much anything. If you don't want to lag this connection, you go lag a little bit, might not a whole lot, but you go lag. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to go to setup connection, use Wi-Fi, go to custom. Once you go to custom, you go to your internet provider, Then you go to IP address, automatic, DHCP host name, do not specify, DNS settings. You want to go in there and go to manual. Now your primary DNS. By the way, this is Google service to help your stableness of the connection. You go to primary. I'm showing y'all all the juice. 8.8.8, bop. Done. Secondary 8.8.4.4, bop. Next. MTU settings automatic. Proxy server do not use. Test it. Let's see. It most times go up, sometimes it stay the same or go down a little bit, but you have a way better connection as far as lagginess or anything like that. And this what you can do to increase your connection. I've been doing it forever. Now you see the download is at 52.7. It was at 40. I said 50 is required for a PlayStation 4 or 5 system or whatever. It's required to have 50 megabytes per second. I'm at 52, so I'm good. And upload, it's at 6.0. It's still fine. I'm at 6. 6.8, it's only, that's nothing. That's nothing. This is good connection, so you will not lag no more. If you still do lag, this is what you might have to do. You might have to go to Walmart, get your Ethernet cord, right? Plug it into your PlayStation and plug it into your internet box, your router. Plug it into that, and you go see a big change as well. And that's what we about to go do. Cause I'm like, all right, I'm a streamer now. Like, I can't lag at all. I sometimes lag when I stream off the PlayStation when I was using, that. So I'm like, I don't like lagging, so I changed it. I went to LAN. I didn't upgrade it. Went to the LAN Cable on them. Go to easy. Just go to easy, cause it's straight connection. Look how fast it's going. Jesus Christ. Hold on, that upload terrible though. Hold on. But that download though, 225? Bruh. 220. Bro, stop playing. That's a lot. That is insane. That's insane. Now I'm a mess with it with the custom on the LAN cable. Same thing that I did for the wireless. I'm gonna do it on the LAN cable. Let's see how this go. Cause I ain't never did this on the LAN cable. But the LAN cable did not need it. Jesus. Let's see. Let's see what's up. Oh my God. This fine right here. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this one. Go home. I'm about to see if I switch it again. The more you keep messing with it, it go up and down. So I'm about to see what it's looking like on the custom. As soon as it say that upload past 6, I'm gonna just keep my game on like that. Okay, so it's better on the custom on the LAN cable. So that's just that. Yep, we switching it to that. It's over. And this works on PlayStation console. I don't know about Xbox. You might can try this on Xbox. It might work on the Xbox because it's Google servers. I know Xbox you connect the same way. Ugh. All right, that ain't it. No, I'm going to. Oh, not the. I'm gonna just go back to easy. That one was terrible. All right. I'm gonna restart my system because it might be just tripping because I just keep doing it. So I'm gonna restart, and then I'm gonna see the connection. Then shouldn't take long after you restart it. I just kept messing with it, so it probably just started glitching out. I don't ever mess with my connection that much. I was just so surprised, but yeah, I hope this worked for you too, just as well as it did for me. So if you got a good connection wireless and it's good like that, imagine with the LAN cable. Be insane. You would probably ain't no telling how good the connection would be. You'd just be on top of everybody, and that's how it is in game life. Your connection better, you can do way better than somebody that got a bad connection. So we just gonna wait till this PlayStation come back on. Should take any second now. There we go. And we go see the connection then, because I'm like, it started, messing up the more I kept messing with the connection. So we go see what it's like after I restart the system and test the connection. It might be great. It's already great, but I want it to be greater. Man. Say goodbye to the lag. Say goodbye to the getting thrown out the game. Say goodbye to the can't connect to online services. Say goodbye to all of that. All of that. Alright, so now my PlayStation turned on finally. Come on, log in. Let's see what's up with this connection. Alright. I don't went all the way down there for what? Alright, let's test it. See, this way it better. I'll take this and I'm gonna just go home with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just take this one and just love online now. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope this works for you too. Make sure you leave a like, and if you're still having problems with your connection, comment below, and I'll do my best to try to help you out as well. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Please turn on notifications. I'm gonna have more tutorials on everything, and when the next console come out, I'm gonna have tutorials on that too. So keep me in the, in your back pocket or in the pocket somewhere where it's just like, dang, I don't know how to do something. Request it if you want. If you think I know, request it, and I'll probably make a video on it. But yeah, hit that sub button, like this video, and I'll see y'all next time, man. Peace.
Can anybody out there hear me?